want to be rich. You want to buy makeup, clothes, shoes, bags, travel and so much more. Well, who doesn't? But you have heard right. पैसा पेड़ पे नहीं उगता है. Well, pair I don't know, but I can tell you a way in which money will actually grow while you sleep. Well, money is an inanimate object, so it can't grow on its own. So you have to step in and enable it to grow. This is where investing comes in. If you have some surplus money and you can give it to some other entity to take it, grow it and help generate an income from it, that is basically known as investing. Investments include everything from FDs to shares to real estate to mutual funds. But pause. Let's take a look at what's the difference between savings and investing. Savings is money that you keep aside for any purpose. You could be keeping it under your bed, in a piggy bank, in a bank account, or you could give it to a friend. Well, actually don't do that. Savings and investment, however, both go hand in hand and should be a part of your overall financial planning. There are 6 main types of investments and we'll walk you through them. Number 1, equities. Equity investing refers to when you invest in companies. You basically identify promising companies that you think will grow over time and invest your money in them. When you put in money for a company, you basically get a small fraction of their ownership in the form of shares. So as the company grows, your money or the share value also grows, which means over time, the share value would be a lot more than what you put in. You can sell these to make money, and this is called capital gains. Stock market is a very volatile place, and just like the price of your share can increase, it could also plummet, leading to losses. Time for an expert tip. Mutual funds are a great place to start because experts handpick shares for you and you could just buy units of the fund without actively having to choose companies. Number 2, bonds and debt investing. Debt investing can be for large amounts of time or small amount of time, and it can be done with a lump sum of money or with smaller amounts. Examples of this include government bonds, corporate bonds, and so on and so forth. Number 3, FDs. ये तो बचपन से सुना है ना? An age-old method and one of the safest forms of investing. So FDs are a very safe option because what you see is what you get. You are promised a certain amount of returns when you put in your money for a lock-in period. This ranges from about 5% to 6% depending on where you're investing your money or which bank you're investing your money in. The safety and security linked with FDs is why FDs remain a very popular choice among Indians still. The different kinds of variations like recurring deposits, flexi fixed deposits have made it a popular choice even today. Number 4, precious metals. This includes gold and silver. Gold as an investing avenue has been a favorite for many Indians. Whether it's a wedding or a birthday, gold remains a popular choice to gift. This is because of the value of gold that is perceived in the form of it being an asset. In fact, gold is considered to be a better store of value than cash itself. Now, you don't even need to own physical quantities of gold to actually own gold. You can also invest in dematerialized gold. You can add it to your demat portfolio along with your other financial assets. We will explain what a demat portfolio is towards the end of the video. Number 5, real estate or property. Real estate can be tricky, especially if you're a beginner investor. It involves a large amount of money and a large amount of time. However, real estate can be a lucrative form of investing if you do it well. Number 6, Bitcoins. That is for another video. The big question that arises, how do you actually invest? Well, starting investing is as simple as online shopping. It takes about 2 to 3 minutes to complete your online KYC, which is mandatory, and open a demat account. Right now, there exists many platforms that let you do this very easily. These include Grow, Zerodha, Upstocks, and many more. For your FDs, you just need a savings account. You could try that through net banking, or you could contact your nearest branch. The next big thing, when should you start investing? Well, the right answer is today. If you like this video, do let us know in the comments below and do subscribe to Har Zindagi on YouTube.